how to make $50 to $100 daily on Superlive. In fact, let us say how to make $100 daily on Superlive. When we say this, sometimes it looks like we blow things out of proportion, especially if you're in Nigeria. You're gonna say like $100, that's like 140,000 naira every day. Is a lie, my sister. It is not a lie. It's because you have not experienced it. I'm not making this video out of watching other people's video. I am making this video based on solid experience. Yes, listen, I am not here to sugarcoat things, and I'm not talking from lack of experience. By virtue of God's grace, I am one of the top earners on live stream. Of course, I earn more than 80% of other streamers. So I'm not just talking because I want to talk or because I want to film. This is not a copy and paste video. If you are interested to make money, watch this video. And before we begin, make sure that you like this video, make sure you share it, because trust me, it's going to benefit people. And also drop your comments in the comment box. Ask me anything you want to ask and I will attend to you, trust me. So first of all, what is Superlive? Superlive is a live streaming platform. Of course, I got to discover it this year. A lot of people say that this app has been in existence for more than 5 years. Trust me, I never knew it, because the app I used to know, or I know more of, is TikTok. We all are aware of TikTok, right? So but I joined Superlive this year because I've been live streaming on Tango. A lot of my fans always say, go to Superlive, just have it as a backup. I just reluctantly said, let me try this app out. Let me try it out. Guess what? On my first day, I made $35. That's it. It was crazy, man. It was crazy. I couldn't believe it. On my first day, I made $35. I'm going to be showing you that so that it doesn't look like I am lying, you know, because it was after I made it, I came to tell you about it, because I don't want to do something without having an experience of the platform. So watch to the end. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video, because it's going to benefit a lot of persons. It's going to benefit. And also drop your comments in the comment box if you have any question, and trust me, I will be glad to assist you. The number one mistake you should never make when you join Superlive is don't think you need an agency to succeed. Those are the lies those agencies sell to you. They are going to tell you, oh, when you have issue with your account, we're going to help you fix your account. When you have issue with payouts, we're going to help you. The agencies don't even have link to Superlive support. They don't have anything to do with your success as a live streamer on Superlive. Okay, when I joined, the first questions everybody was asking me in the comment section is, do you have an agency? Join my agency. Join my agency. Some people say I am one of the top agencies here. Join me. Those are just how to sell their self so that you can be under them and they can be benefiting from you. Those agencies are only benefiting from you. You are not benefiting anything from them. Listen, in quotes, I'm just trying to tell you, because this is one of the problems and the first thing you encounter when you sign up. Now, getting started, the first thing you have to do is how to get started on Superlive. If you are using an Android, like a Samsung phone, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, you search for Superlive, and Superlive. Let me check if they have it on App Store. They don't have it on App Store. It's not on App Store. It's not on iPhone. So it is more on Android. Even Tango is not on iPhone. It's not on App Store. It's also on Android. So you have to be using an Android to get the app from Play Store. So what you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search for Superlive. That's the logo on the screen. When you download it, then you proceed with sign up. Okay, you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with email. I'm not signing up right now because I don't want to have 2 accounts, so it is very easy. I'm sure you can do it. So all you just need to do is select method of sign up. You can select Google, or you can select email, or you can select any other options, right? Then fill in your details, the name you want to use. Like my name there is Cutie Bay. That's my name, but you can choose any name that is so sexy, beautiful, attractive. Emphasis on beautiful, emphasis on spicy, attractive. So after signing up, you put your age. You must be above 18 years old. That is very strict. Superlife is very strict on age. So if you know you're not up to 18 years, don't even bother. And again, you must look your age. If you're 30 or 22 and you look below 18, they will ban you automatically when you just show your face on live. So you must, because they did that to my first account. The first time I signed up with them, maybe the hair I was on, the hair I made, like, I don't know, packing gel, so it made my face quite young. And immediately I said, let me live stream. I just showed my face like this, boom. They permanently banned my account that I was below 18. I was shocked, like, how? Madam, I'm above 28 and you're saying I'm below 18. So how is that even possible? So my dear, you must be above 18. That's being said. Look your age, okay? Make sure you wear something that makes you look at least your age. I'm not saying be like an old woman, but look your age at least for the first time before when going live streaming. So now when you go live stream, that is where the real thing begins. That is where the real money begins. People don't just throw money at you because you're sitting like this. Hello. No, Superlife is an app that is a bit raw, but if somebody doesn't tell you, you will not know. To make it on that app, it is not for the holy of holies, it is not for the decent, it is for the baddies, it is for those who know, who are willing to do what it takes. So if you want to make it on Superlife, you must be extremely sexy. Like, look at emphasis on sexy, baby. Oh my god, how am I gonna explain it to you for you to understand? Superlife permits showing of skin, so you know what I'm talking about. On TikTok you can show skin, on some other apps like Bigo you can show skin. You can even wear something that is showing your boobs like this, or cleavage, right? So you have to look extremely sexy. And then I love to dance. I look sexy and I love dancing. So when I'm dancing, people spray gifts on me. That is what I literally do. But emphasis on your looks. If you have big bum, that's a plus, baby. That's a plus, because trust me, men spend gifts on women that has big ass. Okay, if you don't have big bum, don't be discouraged. If you have a beautiful face, beautiful lips, anything that is beautiful about you, you can enhance, you can project that feature. Some people have cute lips. You can just say, hello, welcome to my live stream, nice to have you here. Because of your lips, somebody just say, I love your lips, they'll spray gifts on you. Or if it's your eyes, you know something, there must be something. If it's your smile, you must sell out something to your audience that will make them fall in love with you. Like for me, I have big eyes and I feel good. I don't know about my face, I don't know. You tell me if my face is pretty anyway. So my darling, you have to be flexible. Dance if you can. Shake it, the ones you can shake. You know, if you don't know how to twerk it. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm telling you how we make it there. Okay? When I say you make $35 to $100 daily, I didn't say you're gonna sit down and money comes. No. If you know how to twerk, you have to twerk your ass, baby. If you know how to shake boobs, you gotta shake it, baby. You have to do all that. And trust me, like I said, the app is not for the holy of holies. If you are righteous too much and too religious, you're gonna go to TikTok, not Superlife, because when you're there, you may not make it. But if you're raw, you're sexy, you're beautiful, you're bold, you're confident, then go to Superlife and cash out quickly and come and give me a little Meanwhile, I'm going to be dropping my link for you to sign up. That's if you want to sign up, you can click on my link and use that to sign up. All right, like I said, you don't need an agent, but though, because I told you about it and you may be asking questions later in future and you want me to guide you, you can sign up through my link. But that's being said, so what are we talking about? Well, I've told you guys how to live stream right now on Superlive and how to make that money daily. You have to shake what you can shake. You have to shake all you can shake. You have to twerk. You have to look pretty. You have to look sexy. You have to look hot. You must master the art of flirting. Okay, there's a video I dropped on how to get gifters and how to live stream like a pro, do well to check that video out. Now, because I mentioned the mistakes people make while live streaming, if you want to make money, a lot of money live streaming, you must master the art of gentle flirtation, gentle flirting. Hi, like you must be sexual. How do I explain it? Like you must be soft spoken. You must learn how to flirt. Like if someone walks into the live stream, you can say, "Hi, Daddy, how are you doing today? I love it when you spoil me. I like it when you gift me. It makes me drink. It makes me feel really good. Damn, you're looking so hot and handsome today." Damn, then you know, you go back to what you're doing. These people will feel very honored, they will feel happy, they will feel sweet and spoil you with gifts. Maybe this is how I make it. I make more than 80% of other creators in each platform I join, because I give you the feeling, the vibe you want to see. And that is it. Meanwhile, what else did I miss? What else did I miss? It is really possible to make $100 daily. Yes, I make this money. I make a lot of money from this live streaming, and it's been awesome actually, and it's been fun, because not just that you're live streaming, it also helps to teach you confidence. You understand? Confidence. It will help you to boost your confidence. It will make you to learn how to be feminine, how to be soft, how to be a teaser. On live stream, the major way to make money is learning how to tease. You don't reveal everything, you don't protect everything, you just tease, like show people a little bit and allow them to imagine. When they imagine, that's their imagination is what they will be using to gift you. Anyway, I hope you have understand a little bit of what I shared. I don't want this video to be too long, but that is how to make money on Superlive. Sign up right there today. Start going live. Start smiling, start looking pretty, start dancing, start twerking, start teasing, and watch people spoil you with gifts. I am Victoria Vic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.